Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize app icons and themes on your Vivo Y200 phone. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to customize app icons or themes, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to look for themes app in your phone which is pre-installed. So you just have to look for this one and then select it. And after that it will open something like this. Just select local in the bottom right corner, then local themes. From here you can easily select the theme which you want to set that. There are some downloaded themes and the system themes. You have to select one of them which you want to set that. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. From here select apply, and after that your system theme will be changed here. It will change your app icons and your system themes. So that's how you can easily customize your app icons or themes on your Vivo Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.